Rapping for Jamaicans.
Sickest right.
Distance apart. It's like, he was like this. And I said, no sir. So Mr. Dillon upon him. When me no go third, that time I say, I'm still there. Mr. No sir, in there. When me go third, I hear the powder though. Yeah, yes sir. Boom. You see the powder, you come with it. Yo, listen, family, look on the inside camera. And so me said, boom, boom, before the race done. Boom, boom, and then boom, boom, boom.
Massive. Line up now.
Omar!
Do a few pass, but couldn't get the nitrous to come in. So I end up having to ask for a third run because they said they only have 2 runs in the qualifying. So we end up having to take a Q0 and to beg for it just to try to get down the time because we've been running like 98 all day.
Good competition for the Supras. They have had their day. I think today was their last. I mean, now they know what true potential of our car is. I know they're gonna go back and do their homework.
And the true potential of our driver. Don't forget that.
But the whole point is that it's good competition. They had their day before. Today we had ours. And we had seconds because we had H1 before and that really led dead. And we eat the next food. So we belly food. No.
Belly food, the supper. Belly food and supper. 2 in 1.
Supras, good competition, as I said.
So as I said to you before, big shout out to Kemtek Development and Construction Limited, Seymour Speed, and also
We want to big up the done for KDC, Sylvester, Toyota, everything, and all Kemtek family, all people from the side, everybody that make Kemtek what Kemtek is. Come in at this.
I saw your June Gary.
Bless up.
Yeah man, 876, straight.